Here it is, guys. Got the AW Performance mid-pipe. I'm adding it. I just have the Axelback. It'll be definitely a nice addition to the sound. I think it's a little drony sounding. Doesn't have much of an exhaust tone. I think getting rid of those two resonators, increasing the diameter, will help a lot. I've had this system before, full catback, twice actually, on two previous 340s. I'm sure you've seen the other videos. So yeah, let's get into the install. Here's a quick look underneath, and here's where it turns into the Axelback that I already have. Should be a decently easy install. This brace was not on either of the 340s. I did have that one, but I didn't have those extra ones. So yeah, let's get into it and hope that my downpipe is not seized to the catback. Wow, I sort of skipped ahead here. Don't mind how dirty the car is. I did fix the tip fitment, pushed it up more. I had to get another hand, part of the reason for not filming the install, but it was very simple from my point. Just putting them in like Legos, and looks good, always looks good. New pipes already checked for any leaks. I need to clean this thing. But yeah, tip fitment is, I remember it's good on stock diffusers, but it's just these carbon diffusers, it's always a little close there. But it's about as good as I'm gonna get it to. So I'm gonna clean up, put the lift down, and then I'll see if I can get you guys some clips or just end the video. But yeah, pretty easy install. Give you guys a startup, so enjoy. first drive. It's a lot louder than I remember. The burbles are a little obnoxious, but it's sweet.